morning, students. So continuing our cross rate problems related to cross rate. Today we have the problem that US dollar in the given two-way quotation. Till yesterday we were solving one-way quotation, right? So today, even earlier also, in earlier class we have solved two-way quotation also, but similar kind of two-way quotation problem. US dollar per Australian dollar is 0.71265 oblique 300. That means per Australian dollar, 1 Australian dollar is equals to US dollar 0.71265 oblique 0.71300. 300. The pips is 3 digits here. In another quotation, Bank A offers US dollar per Australian dollar. Bank B offers Australian dollar per pound, sterling pound, Great Britain pound, GBP, right? So 1 GBP is equals to Australian dollar 2.16963 oblique 97, right? This is the quotation given by Bank B. Now they are asking to establish the relationship between US dollar to GBP, right? Because in the question they are asking calculate amount of US dollar required to buy sterling pound, 1000 sterling pound. So that means how many dollar is required to buy Great Britain pound, but no bank is offering directly Great Britain pound against US dollar. So we have to calculate with the help of different currencies. We need to determine the exchange rate between dollar to sterling pound, right? Now, since this is the two-way quotation, now they are asking solution for this problem. They are asking to establish the relationship between US dollar to pound, right? So US dollar per pound is equals to one quotation given is US dollar per Australian dollar. Another bank is offering Australian dollar per pound. Now, the basic rule to calculate cross rate is to this denominator and this numerator should be same. Now, we have Australian dollar as denominator in one quotation and Australian dollar as numerator in another quotation, right? Now, so mathematically this gets cancelled, but to multiply it, remember the thumb rule of cross rate. Bid price must be multiplied with bid only and ask price must be multiplied with ask only, right? So the given quotation now US dollar per Australian dollar, bid they have given as 0.71265 and ask 3 digits are the pips here 0.71300, right? So these 3 digits are 265 is replaced by ask price 300, right? So 0.71300 is greater than 0.71265. Ask price is always greater than bid price. Now another quotation, Australian dollar per GBP is given as 2.16963 and the ask price is 2. Here the pips are only 2 digits, right? 2.16997. So 2.16997 is the ask price and 2.16963 is the bid price. That is Australian dollar per 1 unit of GBP, 1 unit of pound, right? Now, the thumb rule says this bid must be multiplied with bid and ask price must be multiplied with ask price. So, you will get, now they are asking to calculate US dollar per GBP is, you need to multiply these two, right? So bid price, thumb rule of the cross rate. Please do remember, bid price must be multiplied with bid only. So 0.71265 multiplied by 2.16963. The bid price US dollar per GBP is 1.5461. I am taking 4 digits as a pips here, and 0.71300 multiplied by 2.16997 is 1.5471. Right? So 1.5461 is the bid price and 1.5471 is the ask price. That is the quotation we derived. We have derived the cross rate between US dollar and pound. Right? Now, with the help of connected pair of currencies, we have determined the cross rate between US dollar per pound. Right? Now, the question they are asking is, calculate amount of US dollar required to buy, question number 1, to buy 1000 GBP required US dollar is, so now we are buying the sterling pound. This is the quotation given by the banker, right? So this is the banker's buying price and ask price is the banker's selling price. Now I am an individual, I am buying pound from this banker, right? So banker's bid price is banker's buying price from me. That's what I sell to banker at 1.5461 and I buy from banker at the ask price, that is 1.5471. So while buying, the relevant or applicable rate is ask price of the banker, right? So that is US dollar per GBP per pound. We have to pay 1.5471 US dollar to buy single unit of sterling pound. We have to pay 1.5471 per pound we have to pay, but they are asking to buy 1000 pound. To buy 1000 sterling pound, we need 1547. Again, I am stressing this point. So with the answer, currency symbol is must in your SEM exam. So without currency symbol, without relevant and proper currency symbol, you won't get marks even though your calculations are right. Right? Now, to buy 1 sterling pound, I have to pay $1.5471. To buy 1000 sterling pound, I have to pay 1547.1 US dollars. Right? So, while choosing bid and ask is, while calculating buying and selling of any currencies, the selecting of applicable rate is very important, right? So in this case, question number 1, you are buying the sterling pound. That means you have to buy it from the banker and banker sells at ask price. So while buying, if an individual is buying foreign currency, the applicable rate is ask price. And question number 2, so amount of US dollar obtained by selling GBP 1000 now you are selling sterling pound. That means if I am the seller, banker is the buyer. Banker or marketer always buys at bid price. In the given quotation, bid price is 1.5461. So while an individual sells the foreign currency, banker buys at bid price. So in the given quotation, bid price is 1.5461, right? So if you sell 1 pound, you will get 1.5461 US dollars. If you are selling single pound, then you will get 1.5461 dollars. In this case, you are selling 1000 pounds. Now you will get US dollar 1000 1546.1, right? So per pound, if you sell a pound to banker, banker will buy at 1.5461 per pound. Now you are selling entire 1000 pounds, so you will get US dollar 1546.1. So this kind of problem is expected in your SEM exam. So the relevant rate while calculating buying and selling of foreign currency is very important. Now continuing cross rate. So far in Mnbf subject we have studied calculation of outright rate, that is forward rate, and calculation of cross rates. Now if we merge these two concepts, we will solve similar type of question, right? Now the question given is So they have given in the question that there are quotations are given. Quotations given are rupee per dollar, INR per US dollar, euro per dollar, and yen per dollar, Japanese yen. We are assuming this as Japanese yen, right? Now, this currency symbol earlier also I explained. This is the Japanese yen, or same symbol is used as Chinese yuan. Now, spot rate is given between rupee per dollar 44.77 is the bid price and 44.78 is the ask price. Euro per dollar, it is given as 1.3195 and 1.3198, that is the ask price. Yen per US dollar is given as 166.91/94. So now they are asking you to calculate outright rates, right? So in the earlier class, we have solved many problems related to forward rate or outright rate. So please do remember, while calculating outright rate, you have to go through all these swap point. So 1 month swap is given, 2 month swap is given, 3 month swap is given. So while calculating 1 month forward rate 20/22, since it is in increasing order, you have to add it to the spot rate. Now you have to calculate rupee per dollar for 1 month forward rate, 2 months outright rate, 3 months outright rate. While calculating 44.77/78, 1 month swap point is 20/22. You have to add it because it is in increasing order. 35/37, since it is in increasing order, you have to add it to the spot rate. 3 month swap 52/54, you have to again add it to the spot rate. Now you will get the outright rates. The question number 1 they are asking calculation of outright rates. You have to calculate outright rates for all the 3 quotations. Now, euro per dollar, again you have to calculate 1.3195 is the bid price, 1.3198 is the ask price. So 20/21, since it is in increasing order, you have to add it to the spot rate. 42/43, again you have to add it to the spot rate. 65/67, again you have to add it to the spot rate. Now you will get all the 1 month, 2 month and 3 months outright rates. Now again yen per dollar, again you have to add it. So 52/48, you have to deduct it to the spot rate. Now 32/31, again you have to deduct it. 50/54, you have to add it to the yen per dollar spot rate. Now you will get the answer for all the outright rates. After calculating 1 month, 2 months and 3 months forward rate, now you have to calculate cross rate between euro per yen, and you have to establish the relationship between these two, and euro per rupee. You have to establish the relationship between these two, right? So while calculating euro per yen, it is euro per dollar multiplied by yen per dollar. That should be reversed, that is dollar per yen. You have to calculate. So this problem, I insist you people try to solve it. If it is impossible, then in tomorrow's class we will solve it again. Fine? Thank you.